Well, today I was in church and the preaching was about the birth of Christ. And Pastor akatoa preaching from Luke chapter 2 verse 1 to 7. Na describe ile story ya Jesus kuzaliwa. Well, to be very honest, there's something as a believer that you have to understand about this thing of Christ being born. Mungu, God himself, understand that God himself cannot stand sin, cannot stand impurity, cannot stand all these evils zenye tunafanyanga kama binadamu. That's why he gave his only son akukufie. So, one of the things zenye believers zenye I think we underestimate this thing is, if we were to go by the law, ile yenye Mungu ameset, ile akina Moses, ile ya unajua kuna mahali lazima an eye for an eye. Yani ni mbaya bwana. If you are to pay for the things you do, most of us will be dead. But he gave Christ Jesus akukufie them because a debt has to be paid. Ni kama sasa useme nikuwa na deni ya mtu ama mtu akwe na deni yangu. Either ulipe ama nikusamehe. So kulikuwa na point ya kusamehe. And that is where in his unconditional love that alikupatia mtu wake akukufie. Please get salvation. Okoka. If ukose kuokoka this one, then you die. You'll go to hell, man. And there is no ati. The word God says he fulfills his word even more than his name. Yani anaheshimu sana jina yake. I mean the word kuliko hata jina yake. So why would you play around with getting saved?